I remember in the early days when I started making knives, one of the first catalogs I got back in late 80s, early 90s was the Kershaw catalog. And back then I immediately saw some qualities in both materials and designs that I admired. And then I probably started designing for companies about 7 or 8 years ago. And when you do that, you have some motivation, you have some desires where you want to end up, and Kershaw and later Zero Tolerance was a huge goal for me, and I felt I had to work up to a point where I was actually able to produce something design-wise that would be interesting for Kershaw. I saw that as a huge challenge to design for Kershaw. I believe I had the first meeting with Kershaw 4 years ago, where I showed some knives and got very little response, but I think 2 or 3 years ago I started focusing very hard on getting a design in with Kershaw. It's been something that I had as a goal for that long, and been working hard to reaching a point where I met expectations, if you will.